The Dyson humidifier is hygienic. It kills bacteria before releasing any mist. Using ultraviolet cleanse technology, it exposes every drop of water to a UVC light. The water runs along the length of the bulb to ensure that 99.9% of bacteria in the water is killed. The piezo vibrates gently at first to mix the water in the chamber. After the bacteria is killed, it increases the vibrations to create a fine ultrasonic mist, which is then drawn up into the air multiplier loop, where it is projected quickly, quietly, and evenly throughout the room. The Dyson humidifier is 99.9% bacteria-free.
The reason that we need humidity in the winter is, let's face it, we're human beings, we like to be warm. When you heat air, you naturally dry it out.
And some people don't think about that because the winters last a very long time. Your heat's running nonstop and it dries out every surface in your home, and it dries out the people in the home too.
You know, it was tough because the kids' skin and my skin would dry out, but in this house, we don't have an issue at all.
You know, by having proper humidification levels, you eliminate things like asthma triggers and allergy triggers and itchy skin and dry skin and static shocks, and beautiful hardwood floors are cracking and splitting, and the kitchen cupboard doors don't line up anymore.
Yeah, the house we had in Arizona, we definitely had that. Like, the wood was so dry it was cracking, and the doors are jamming and the windows don't open.
The humidifier does such an amazing job with that, keeping the way it should be. And a lot of these homes are a little older that we work with, and I think that makes a big difference. It's one of those things where you don't realize what it does until you actually install it. We just love it.
This winter, will you suffer from headaches, concentration problems, dry and cracked skin, itchy dry eyes or dry nose lining? Most likely, your house heating is over-drying your indoor air and causing all of these symptoms. That's why you need a Venta air washer. An air washer corrects air humidity by evaporation. Look, these discs act as collection plates, picking up water from the unit's reservoir. The dry room air moves over the plates and picks up moisture and then exits back into your room, correcting any dryness, leaving the air refreshed and invigorating. But here's where your air washer is superior to a plain humidifier or vaporizer. While it quietly humidifies, the discs trap any airborne bacteria, dirt, and allergens from your room. Since these particles can't evaporate, only humidified and purified air is free to exit back into your room. So say goodbye to colds and cough bacteria transmission. Venta air washers give you perfect humidity, but with so much more. They never over-humidify. They don't use messy filters. They trap airborne bacteria. They don't produce white dust. And they're made in Germany, which is why an air washer lasts and lasts. For a lifetime, in fact. Venta air washer, the original patented by Venta in 1982.